Okay, here's a bicycle check. Start out with my frame. These are Colt overseas frame. 20.75 in black. 4 pounds, 10 ounces. Taper top tube and stuff. Gusset, whole thing. Got slide Tierra bars, 28 wide, 825 rise, Mission Converge stand, Eastern fork, Mankind headset, ODI long neck grips, and bar rims, Shadow slimmer seat, Sputnik seat post. I said that Twisted PC pedals, Odyssey, DK Social cranks, I don't know what kind of sprocket that is, white chain, purple, Primo Mix cassette hub with lace to Alienation runaway rim, Shadow spokes, Kink Viridian hub, black blue splash with lace to a Deviant, Shadow spokes also, Shadow Overtaker tire, and some premium tire, and I think that's it. Hold this.